Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to look at how to have a conversation in English. I know most of you, know a lot of English words, but to arrange them, to make sense out of them, it becomes difficult. So we're going to look at a simple conversation between, let's say, you and the next person. All right, let's see how this goes. All right. In this conversation, you are John. So, you want to introduce yourself to someone you have just met. You don't know this person. You just met at an occasion as you are going to see. So, the first thing is you are going to greet the person. Good morning. My name is John. You've greeted the person. And then you have introduced yourself. You have told the person your name. Now the person knows you. But this person doesn't know maybe where you are from or how old are you and things like that. You just want to add a little more stuff to your introduction. So you say, I am from Algeria. Now you have told this person your country. Now, add a little more. I am 22 years old. So now the person knows your name, your country, and your age. Next thing, you go a little deeper. I am studying English. You've told this person also about your studies. You add a little more. I love to play a lot. So you've told this person lots about yourself. Let's see how this person is going to respond. All right, so the person is going to say, so nice to meet you. The person is happy to meet you. And we'll probably ask, why are you here? So nice to meet you, John. Why are you here? Remember, I said at the start of this, you have just met someone at a gala or something. Why are you here? You say, I am here for the games. Then the person will say, okay, well, good luck. And you say, thank you. This is the first, this is an example of a first conversation that you can have with someone you have just met. Thank you for listening, and in order to be notified when you post more lessons like this, please subscribe to our channel.